Here we have a hot tub with no power to the keypad. It doesn't work, nothing's showing, and the pumps are actually working. Make sure the breaker is off. First thing you want to do is you want to take the panel off and look for the spa pack. Once I locate the spa pack, what I do is I always find out the wire that goes to the keypad, and I always inspect that wire for any mice chewing it, because that's normally the reason why your keypad is out.
Turn the power back on.
The next thing you want to do is you want to take the front door off the spa pack. What I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to test the volts. That's normally my intention, to make sure that there's volts actually coming in and I have power. But in this situation, you'll figure out very quickly what I found. Before I test the volts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the keypad and see if the pump turns on. Normally what you can do is the top side, if you unplug it, all the pumps should turn on. So I unplugged it there and nothing came on. So normally at this point, I want to test the volts that are coming in from the house into the spa pack. But something caught my eye. At this point, we're just going to turn the breaker off. This next part of the video, we're going to take off the spa pack and replace it with a new one. Just got to make sure that you take pictures before you start ripping stuff apart. I don't know why I'm... You get this ground?
I ask you to swap trucks so I can load up stuff.
Swap trucks?
Yeah.
I want to use... What, so I can use your truck?
No, I mean swap.
I'm just joking. Consider being a member on our channel. There's more perks. There's videos you will never see on YouTube. If you're really trying to figure out what's wrong with your hot tub, consider being a member on this channel. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.